Hello people. In last video I finished sculpting my Longbowman figure. Now I'll painting the figure. As always I use acrylic paint to do a job and show you the stages progress of the painting. The figure is an England unit, so I will painting the clothes and uniform of the archer base on that era. Okay, let's begin the painting. I start to painting the chainmail. First paint it with vallejo flat black as a base. Painting to all chain mail with a brush. This was my preparation before I painting metal color on metal part. I will use dry brush technique to get metal effect on the chain mail. And the helmet too, painting in flat black for painting metal later. Use plate mail metal from Army Painter War Paint. Load the metal paint with your brush, and wipe of the paint using a dry paper towel. And lightly brush it over the chainmail surface. This dry brush technique is easy to apply to get metal effect or for highlighting the figure. The technique is easy and efficient. It will come in handy for you who just start to painting your miniature figure. Face painting. I use Vallejo tan yellow and mix it with German orange for base coat. And brush to all skin area and face and his hands. Try to paint thinly and evenly over the entire surface of the face. You don't want to left a brush mark on your figure, so it's better to painting with thin layer of paint and keep painting until it's smooth. Next, the shading. I mix a base coat color with a little bit of Vallejo flat yellow and Vallejo flat white. And apply it in area of the face that receive more highlight, like in a cheekbones, bridge of the nose and chin. In this step, I painting the pupil of his eyes and eyebrow, and also painting shadow color on his face. And smooth out the transition between highlight and shadow with glazing technique. For the English clothes, I mix Vallejo flat white with a little bit Vallejo flat black to get a white-gray color as a base coat. The soldier in medieval times did not have a set of uniform. Most soldier wore whatever clothes they would normally wear and add some badge to show that they were a soldier. For his underside clothes, I paint it with dark green-brown color. So I mix Vallejo green-brown, Vallejo flat yellow and Vallejo flat black for his underside clothes. For pants, I mix Vallejo German orange and Vallejo flat yellow as a base. Paint shadow on his clothes with Vallejo flat black and layering, with gray base coat layer and glazing to smooth the transition. I already paint the shadow on his pants, and now painting the highlight with a mix of base color with Vallejo flat yellow. For shadow color on his pants, I mix Vallejo flat blue with Vallejo flat black and flat white to get grayish blue color. For his belt I paint it with AK British World War I uniform shadow as a base, and highlight it with a mix of Vallejo flat yellow. Because this was an England archer, I draw England Red Cross badge on clothes. Okay, now for his sword and buckler. First I paint it with Vallejo flat black. And I painting the sword handle with AK British Uniform Shadow and AK British Uniform Light. For the buckler, I do paint it with dry brush using metal chain plate from Army Paint. And paint AK British Uniform Shadow as a base coat and AK British Uniform Light as a highlight. Okay, this was my working progress of figure. Start from sculpting the head, making armature and pose it, bulking and sculpting the figure, finished figure and painting. On the next video I'll making a small diorama and finish the project of this figure. If you like this kind of video, please to subscribe, share and like the video. And if you have some idea for my next project, please let me know with comment below. Thanks for watching and see you guys again.